Good afternoon, everyone. So now we'll be discussing about training design. So do you know what is training design?
No.
No. Why? Okay. So we'll discuss this. So training is a set of systematic processes designed to meet learning objectives related to trainees' current or future jobs. These processes can be grouped into the following phases: needs analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. The phases are sequential with the outputs of the previous phases, providing the inputs to those that follow the training process. So, do you familiar with this training process? The training need, design, the plan, delivery.
Yes.
Wait. So, can you give me a small idea about the training process, Miss Sukon? Don't laugh, Miss Katul. No. Mingon mo ka kahibaw kag unsa ning training process? Okay, Miss Kasul, what is training process? How to deliver the training process in this text? So the training needs is, for example, si Rana. Rana is need to learn to ride a motorcycle. So this is the problem and goal. So the training design will also Rona plan how to learn. She might decide how will she start with a balanced motorcycle. So mag-plan mag-create siya og plan ug usaon niya pag learn how to ride a motorcycle. Then the training plan is also si Rona will also create a schedule for her training or practice in how to ride a motorcycle. Then training delivery is also this is when Rona actually practice riding a motorcycle for her following schedule. Then the training program evaluation. So if Rona is now already know to ride a motorcycle, so pwede ko mo evaluate niya kung saan niya or ipakita niya na ako kung it is already know na ba siya kung nakaibaw na ba siya mo paano ka ng motorcycle. Training design, okay. So, may I ask question, Ms. Shala Vargas? So what is training design? For you, Ms. Shella, what is training design?
For me, training design is where mao na ang process para kada may learn or in progress is na makamao ka.
Yes, exactly, Ms. Shella Vargas. So thank you. So training design is like planning a fun and effective way to learn something new. It's figuring out the best step to reach our goal. So what is ang training design? So next is instructional design, are called instructional system design, so which is ISD. This is the practice of creating instructional experience which make the acquisition of knowledge and skill more efficient, effective, and appealing. The process consists broadly of determining the current state and needs of the learner, defining the end goal of instruction, and creating some intervention to assist in the transition. Ideally, the process is informed by pedagogically or process of teaching and andragogically adult learning, tested theories of learning and may take place in student only. So the teacher lead or community-based settings. The outcome of the instruction may be directly observable and scientifically measured or completely hidden and assumed. So based on the text, so the text describe instructional system design as the process of creating learning experiences that make acquiring knowledge and skill more efficient and appealing. So the ISD process is the ADEM model. Mo ni siya katong pag, di ba natakot mo na ito itong customer question, so this is my report before. So, kung sa ganito, meaning sa ADI model, katong ADI, Mafe, Miss Mafe, kung sa ganito, meaning sa ADI, kaya ikaw mo ito nakatubag kung gibangutan ng research question before.
Analysis, design,
Development.
implementation, and evaluation.
Yes, correct, perfect. So, the ADI models is the analysis, which is analyze learning characteristic to be learned or etc. Identify instructional goals, conduct instructional analysis, analyze learners and context. Then the design is develop learning objectives, choose an instructional approach, wide performance objectives, develop assessment instruments, develop instructional strategy. Then the development, create an instructional or training materials, design and selection of materials and appropriate for learning activity, design and conduct formative evaluation. Then the implementation will, which is deliver or distribute the instructional materials. Then the evaluation makes sure that the materials achieve the desired goals, decide and conduct summative evaluation. So, mo na siya kung examples na kung runables. So, designing your training session will involve developing learning objectives, choosing an instructional approach, develop assessment instrument, and develop instructional strategy. So, designing describe the planning stage of creating a training session. It means before you already teach something, you need to develop learning objectives, choose an instructional approach, and develop assessment instruments, and develop instructional strategy. Mo ni siya ang part sa designing. So, characteristic of your training is basic characteristic that may be potential barriers in training shall be identified and addressed on a trainee per trainee basis when planning training session. So, kita dapat as a future educator or future teaching educator. Yeah, so think about who you are teaching. You are young. Are they young ba or old? Do they have any learning difficulties now? Knowing that this will help make training easier for everyone. So mo siya ang training characteristic. So og motudlog nita dita magkuan nga porket siya idaran imo siyang kaya-kayahon mo nang dito ta dapat fair lang kanan. So adult learning principles. Adults learn differently from elementary and high school students. In choosing your methods and structuring the training materials, therefore, you should consider how adult trainees learn. So, grown-ups learn differently than kids. You need to teach them in a way that works for an adults. So, kung sa mga ganyan mga gagmay na kuhan, mga or mga bata pa i-aklan po dato na siya o ganang like an adults. Then learning style of your trainees, varied learning styles will require variation in the methodologies to be employed with CBT. Your training design should be able to provide learning activities for every trainee considering his learning style. So learning styles, people learn in different ways. Some like videos or mga hands-on activities. A good training plan offers different ways to learn so everyone can succeed. So applying the principles of adult learning. So the first is learning motivation, learner orientation and experience, orientation to learning, dispositional, behavior, and learning styles. So the learner motivation is adult must want to learn. Then the learner orientation, adults will learn only what they feel they need to learn. So sagot na kayo no? Then experience. Adults learn by comparing past experience with a new experience. Then orientation to learning. Adults need immediately feedback concerning their progress. Then the positional barriers. Adults try to avoid failure. Then lastly, learning styles. Adults do not all learn in the same way. So that's all. Thank you, everyone.